Hello and welcome to my kitchen and welcome to Super Simple Saturday. My name is Sherry and today I've got a recipe for you that's not just quick, it's not just easy, it's absolutely delicious. You can cook this in just about under 15 minutes. We're going to be making some Asian shrimp and noodles. But before I start, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love super simple recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. So for this recipe, all you really need is some shrimp, some frozen vegetables, a little bit of seasoning, and even if you don't have that, we're going to use some ramen noodles and it has a seasoning packet in there. So I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water to my pan here, to a skillet. I've got this turned up on high, and then I've got 2 packages of shrimp ramen noodles. So I'm going to add, if I can get it open here, both packages. We're also going to add in the seasoning pack from both of them. And then I've got a little bit of some Asian seasoning from Pampered Chef I'm going to put in here. If you don't have this, you can use a little bit of dried ginger, or ground ginger, I should say. I think this adds a fabulous flavor. I'll put the link to this in the description below. And then I've got a bag of frozen vegetables. So I actually have fire roasted vegetables. So if you just have like an Oriental stir fry or something like that, you can use whatever you have on hand as far as frozen vegetables go. So that is it for now. We're going to replace the lid and then we're just going to wait for this to come up to a boil. So probably about 10 minutes or so. All right, so it's just about boiling at this time. I want to go ahead and turn my heat down to about medium. And then we're just going to let this cook a little bit longer just until our noodles soften up. All right, I think our noodles are done. So I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. Turn the heat off all the way. Oh, that smells good. And then we're going to add in a couple of dashes of soy sauce. A whole bag of shrimp. So this was frozen. I thawed it out. So cooked, deveined, no tail. Stir our shrimp in. Get our shrimp nice and heated through. All right, and that is just about it. Let me grab my other utensil here. Make sure we get some noodles and some shrimp and some veggies. I need a tomato in there. There we go. All right, and then I also push this out of the way. And I also have a few green onions that I cut up. I'm going to toss on top. And a little bit of sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds. Actually, I wish I had some water chestnuts. That would have been really good to add to this. All right, so let's give it a taste. See if I can get a noodle in there. It's a long noodle. There we go. For as fast as that is, and as simple as it is, I would say that's better than takeout. I mean, takeout's pretty simple, though. You don't have to cook that either. Definitely takes longer for takeout, though. So easy, so delicious. I love this recipe. And you know what? I think I'm missing is a fortune cookie. Which reminds me, I actually have takeout containers downstairs that I had purchased so that I could make homemade fortune cookies, personalized fortune cookies around Valentine's Day and sell them. I have some of those left over. So I think I may put this in there and photograph it. But anyway, we'll have to do fortune cookies one day. Maybe we'll do that for a Wow Me Wednesday episode because those are a lot of fun too. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy this. Give it a try. It is super fast, super easy, super delicious. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.